protester from the Kuki tribe was killed in clashes with the security forces in Manipur today as buses moved out of the state's capital Imphal towards other districts following the centre's order to ensure free movement across the state that is under president's rule. The police said in a statement that armed miscreants from among the protesters fired at them. The buses with security escort sent them towards the Kangpokji, 45 kilometers from Imphal, faced the blockade by women protesters. The security forces fired tear gas and lathi charged them as the mob refused to let the vehicles pass, officials said. 16 protesters were injured, the police said in a statement, adding that the crowd grew in numbers and some started throwing stones at the buses and the escort vehicles. The Kangpokji protesters damaged some vehicles and set one on fire, the official said. 27 security forces personnel were injured, 2 critically, the police said in the statement. The security forces showed tremendous restraint while trying to control the unruly and violent mob and used minimum force to control and counter the antisocial elements, including the firing by armed miscreants from among the protesters, the police said. The Kuki Zo Council, that is the KAC, a newly formed group in the statement, called an indefinite shutdown in areas where the Kuki Zo tribes are dominant. The free movement initiative of the government will be staunchly opposed until a political solution for the Kuki Zo community is reached for lasting peace in the region. The KZC cannot guarantee free movement of Meiteis across the buffer zones and cannot take responsibility for any untoward incidents, the KZC chairman also targeted and said in the statement. Buses that went to the Churachandpur, however, reached without any incident and faced no road blockade, officials said. The buses crossed the Meitei dominant Bishnupur and reached Churachandpur's Khandgawai, also that is 55 kilometers from Imphal. The valley dominant Meitei community and over a dozen distinct tribes collectively known as Kuki, who are dominant in some hill areas of Manipur, have been fighting since May 2023 over a range of issues such as land rights and political representation. Over 250 have died in the violence and nearly 50,000 have been internally displaced. Kuki leaders, nearly 24 militant groups that have signed a suspension of operation agreement, and their frontal civilian organization have demanded the center give them a separate administration before allowing communities to move freely across Manipur.